What speech and vocabulary activities could you do with your multilingual toddler during this rainy time of the year? You could play, for instance, some good old-fashioned board games like bingo while it is stormy outside, and explore the colors of nature once the sun comes out. In this video, I want to show you how to play bingo using vocabulary words around the topic autumn. And I'm also going to give you 2 activities that you can play with the same material that are going to expand your toddler's concentration span and at the same time are going to boost his listening and speaking skills. Coming up next. Hello everyone, Andrea here, teacher specialized in languages. Welcome to Multilingual Family, a vlog for cosmopolitan people like you that helps you raise your child successfully multilingual. On this channel, I share with you tips and tricks and useful material. So if you're new here, consider subscribing to my email list for free material. First of all, I want to show you how a simple game like bingo can help you introduce and practice new vocabulary with your toddler. I've created this game that you will be able to download for free. See the description below for more information. I suppose you do know how to play bingo. There are up to 6 A5 cards like this one, and a stack of smaller cards like this one. Once it is cut and ready, it looks more or less like this. Notice that you will be able to adapt the words to whatever language you are practicing with your toddler, till 3 languages. So how do you play? You pick a card from the stack and you ask this question: do you have a kite? So if any of the players has one, then he or she has to put a bingo chip on top of the A5 card, like this. Once the A5 card is full, you have to shout bingo and the game is over. Make your child use the whole sentence when picking up the card from the stack. Help your toddler if she or he doesn't know the word, and don't forget to have fun. It should be fun. Once you play this a few times, the child will have learned all these words plus that sentence that he or she repeated over and over again by heart. Now let's look at what other activities you can do with the same material. You could hang, for instance, these cards with tape somewhere in your apartment, in your house, for instance, like this. And then you can tell your child, can you bring me the rainworm? Can you bring me an umbrella? Remember that repetition is crucial to be able to internalize the vocabulary. So repeating the same sentence over and over and again is actually very good. If you want, you can also play this game with more kids. It's going to be more exciting for them if they have to be faster to go and find the card. With this activity, you are not only practicing vocabulary, but you're also schooling their concentration skills, and they have to memorize things and they have to pay attention and listen carefully. So it's much more than just an activity to learn words. Another activity would be to use these small cards to start describing. The person holding the card describes the drawing and the toddler has to figure out what it is. Once that is clear, it's the child's turn to describe. This activity requires quite some vocabulary, so it is advisable to look at the vocabulary first before playing. It would look something like this. What I have in my hands is sweet, is purple, it is healthy, it's somehow round, and you can eat it. As you see, there are many things that you can do. I'm sure you can find some more activities and ideas on what you could try out using the same cards. Please, if you have a great idea, share it on the comment section. I would love to hear about it. That was it for today, dear friends. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks you so much for watching and hanging out with me. Click on the link below to subscribe to my email list to be able to download this game for free for the next 7 days. Please give me a thumbs up and share. This was Multilingual Family. Keep on doing a great job and talk to you soon.